Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix verification code or verification required on App Store. If a pop-up window appears on App Store asking you to verify, you need to update your payment method. But before we do that, we need to go back to our screen. Go ahead to the settings, click your name at the top, and then go ahead to subscriptions. You're gonna confirm via facial recognition, obviously, and then go ahead to any active subscription and try to cancel them manually in order for this to work out. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna update my payment method. So I'm gonna stay on Apple account, and then I'm gonna go ahead to that payment and shipping, right? And I'm gonna add a new card or basically modify the code, or excuse me, modify the 3 digits or whatever, right? So in my case, I'm gonna remove and re-add the payment method, right? So I'm gonna click remove, and then I'm gonna add the billing address right here for that payment. So basically, you could go ahead and add the payment method, credit card if you're using credit card or debit card, whatever that may be. Add the number and the CVV, and when the card will expire, right? And of course, add the billing address for that. Then hit done, and it's gonna take a while, so Apple can verify the payment method, and now you can start paying using your own credentials. And that will fix it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.